Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set a task to repeat in the TickTick calendar application. So let us begin. Navigate to your account on TickTick and then go either to the calendar or to your inbox depending on how you would like to access your tasks. I will go with one from the inbox here, and then click into the date of the given task here, right? Expand the reminder, repeat here, and set a repetition daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and so on and so forth, or you can set a custom date. And then choose the days of the week. So I would like to repeat that task here every Thursdays and Saturdays, every 1 week, for example, but you can also go with bi-weekly or bi-monthly. So that's up to you. Confirm by clicking into OK here. And now that task has been set to run a repetition every 2 months. And that's how it works, guys. You can set an end of the repetition here or leave it at endless. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.